Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a weekly plan with me for the week of May the 25th to the 31st. Like I said in my previous video, I want to change this up just a little bit for my weekly spread. I mean, I've been using this setup for quite a while, and I do love it. It's kind of getting monotonous, so I want to change it up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and change it up. I'm not really sure how I'm going to do it. I did see something on Instagram that kind of inspired me. I think it was from the Crafted Planner or something along those lines. I will put her username in the description below or up on the screen here so you guys can know where I got the inspiration. I want to do something similar to that. I might change it up a little bit. So we're going to see about it. I'm going to use my weekly sampler in the green. I also have some extra, like, for my weekly kit. Sorry, my weekly planning kit. I do have my boxes, so I will be using those. And then in my May planning kit, I did have some extra washi tapes that I'm going to use, so I'm going to go ahead and use those on this spread as well. So let's go ahead and get started with some planning. Okay, so I'm done planning for May the 25th to the 31st. I just went ahead and did it kind of like a time blocking. Like I said, I got inspiration from an Instagrammer, and I will post her tag up here and in the description below. I cannot remember it off the top of my head right now, but I will give her credit for this. But I decided to put my big projects up the top here using my using what is in my weekly kit of the like the week breakdown or the day breakdowns. So I went ahead and did that. I'm not really sure what else I'm going to put here, but this is how I'm going to set it up. Big projects here. I went ahead and used my day of the weeks and posted them here with the day, as well as my workout plan, which I will be putting in here as soon as this week is done. And then I made it kind of like a time blocking. So 8th through to 9, well, to 10 o'clock, put birthdays down here. Oh, which you can't see, put birthdays down here. At 5 o'clock is usually when I post my YouTube videos, so I went ahead and blocked those out. So I'm not really sure how I want to set this up yet. I know that I'll probably use like these little label stickers, as well as this label set that is in my shop, and I'll link that below as well. In these spots, I think, just to block off time. I also am planning on using these little stickers, circle stickers. I also have square stickers that I will be probably putting down here just as like a, maybe as like a check mark, a way to check mark things. So like if appointments come up, then I'll block the time with these, and then I'll put any like actual tasks using these circle stickers, also the square stickers, which I don't have with me right now, but that's what I'm planning on doing. And then for the weekend, I'm not going to do it by hour, but I will go ahead and like do just a running to-do list for these days. So that is that. I'm not really sure how this will turn out. I'm a little nervous by it, but I'm excited to try it. And I will upload pictures on Instagram as I progress through the week. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I will keep posting videos on Instagram, and also I'll show you guys when I do my planning for next week how I kind of, or planning for June, how this kind of went along. But that is the video for today, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. All of the products that I'm going to be using, that I used in this video, will be in the description below, so please go ahead and check that out. I'm also going to pop up here my website so you guys can go and see all of the stickers and all the things in my shop. I also have a blog there as well, so you guys can read up about my life. I'm planning on posting more blog stuff here shortly. I think other than that, I think that is it. I'm ready to start this week. So as soon as the week starts, I'll go ahead and share that with you. I think that's it. I will talk to you very soon. Okay. Bye.